Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, what I plan to do is create a Valentine's look for you, my love, so that way you guys get an idea of what you want to wear on Valentine's. So I want to go for a really pink, red, colorful eye look, so that way, you know, we're feeling the Valentine's vibe. And every Valentine's I really like to create this very bold eye look, so I think that is what I'm gonna be doing today. Before I start the video, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, my loves. My name is Irene. If you guys want to create a Valentine's look and want to get inspired, without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Alright you guys, so today I honestly wanted to straighten my hair, but lately I don't want to use any heater on my hair because sometimes it damages my hair a lot. So I'm just trying to keep it as natural as possible. So going with my primer, go ahead and grab any of your favorite primer. I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. primer and apply it on my T-zone. As you guys could notice, I've been breaking out so much ever since this pandemic has started and we'll be wearing masks. I've been breaking out, guys, and I think that the reason why is because since I am a very oily person, I low-key tend to sweat right here on this area too, and so having the mask on at work, it makes it more difficult for me to not have the mask, you know. Going with my absolutely favorite foundation, which is this baby right here. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Up to 24-Hour Foundation, and honestly this is like my second or third bottle because I love this foundation so much. If you like a full coverage foundation, I don't think this is gonna be your favorite, but if you don't mind like a medium to full coverage foundation, this is super perfect for you guys. Next I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation. Next I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. So you're gonna want to grab any concealer that you have. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer because this is my go-to. And then I'm also going to apply contour cream on my face. This is just to give my face a little bit more definition. I don't want to go heavy on the cream contour because I am going to apply a bronzer. And now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. I promise you guys that this year I want to try a new concealer because I've been using this L'Oreal concealer for honestly the longest now, and I need to try something new. It is so good, guys. So any concealers that are expensive out there, like the Tarte Shape or something, whatever the name is, I don't recommend wasting your money with that. I just recommend this baby, which was like $14 on the drugstore. If I find anything similar to this that is full coverage, then I will definitely let you guys know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. The translucent powder I'm gonna be using is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Like this translucent is going to leave your under eyes feeling so soft, and that is why I love this baby so much. Alright you guys, so I left a little bit right here underneath my eyes because I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes next. So let me go get my palette and I will be right back with you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I am back and I brought the camera a little bit closer to my eyes so that way you guys could see everything that's gonna go on my eyes. And I bought my palette right here. This is the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette, and I'm gonna be using the Jawbreaker palette. This palette have a lot of colorful eyeshadows that I want to apply. So going with my eyelids first, I want it to be super clean. So I'm gonna use this baby, the P. Louise base, to cover my lids, and I'm going to apply it right here. Also, this is a new thing that I am trying today. I first do my eyebrows and then I apply my eyeshadows. But today I want to try something different. I'm gonna be doing my eyeshadow first and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows at the end. Going with the Jawbreaker palette, which is this baby right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use Raspberry. And then whatever you have on your brush, you want to slightly start blending it inwards. I'm gonna go ahead and grab Calabasas, this shade right here. And I'm using the palette, the Morphe Times Jeffree Star palette. Okay guys, so now that that is nicely blended, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut my crease. And using the first brush that you apply your eyeshadow, you wanna go ahead and blend your outer corner. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to ruin it or not, but I'm gonna go for it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this baby right here. This is like a red eyeshadow, and this is called Licorice, something like that. So I'm going to apply that baby. For the center, I'm gonna apply this baby right here. This one right here. This is the Mini Orgy from Jeffree Star. The shade is Frozen Fire. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly the same step on this side of the face, so I will be right back with you guys in a second. Alright you guys, so this is how my eyes is looking like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. As you guys can see, I haven't done my brows yet. This is gonna be interesting because I never do this type of step. So using my Milani pomade, which is this baby right here, I'm gonna go ahead and first brush my brows. The next thing I'm gonna do is apply my bronzer, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX bronzer, and this is in the shade Medium. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush using the Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is like a very nice blush to apply because it is like a pink undertone and the shade is super cute. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. Alright you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. And with this eye look, I do want to go for a natural eyelash because I want my eyeshadow to be the attention. So I don't want to use like a big eyelashes because sometimes big lashes could tend to cover your eyeshadows. Alright you guys, so here on this side of the eyes, I went ahead and applied the Ardell Wispy Lashes. And I got this at the drugstore, guys. And look at this. It is so wispy and very lightweight. This is my second time reusing these lashes and it still looks so nice, so natural. So if I want to use a natural eyelashes, I always gravitate towards these lashes because they are absolutely so cute and they look like your real natural lashes, to be honest. I had a lot of good compliments saying that these lashes look like my real lashes. Alright you guys, so I am almost done with the eye look. The last thing I'm gonna go ahead and apply is a shimmer shade on the inner corner. It might not be that visible, but in my inner corner I applied this shade right here. This is called Glass Wet. And this shimmer shade, it is very nice if you apply it like over an eyeshadow by itself. It's not that visible, which in this case I don't mind. Alright you guys, so the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is my lips. So I want a neutral nude lip because I want the attention to be on my eyes only. And for the highlighter, I'm gonna use the Benefit Cookie highlighter, and this is how this baby looks. Alright you guys, so last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and spread this face. Alright you guys, so this is the complete look of the makeup look for Valentine's. I hope you guys got inspired of this look, and if you guys want to recreate it, definitely recreate it because I think that it is super cute. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification so that way you guys stay notified whenever I post a video. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much if you made it to the end, and I will see you guys in my next video.